Have you ever wondered how the electronic devices we use daily, from smartphones to microwaves, achieve the incredible functionalities they offer? The answer lies in the world of embedded systems, the unsung heroes of our modern technological era. In the dawn of the digital age, the 1960s saw the birth of the first embedded system. The Apollo guidance computer was designed to navigate and control the spacecraft for the moon landing. It was a real-time, multitasking computer system, a marvel of its time, and the harbinger of the embedded systems to come. As we moved into the 1970s, embedded systems began to permeate more aspects of everyday life. The introduction of microprocessors, like the Intel 4004, enabled more complex tasks to be performed. This allowed for the creation of the first single-chip microcomputer, the birth of modern embedded systems. The 1980s marked the era of mass production for embedded systems. With the rise of personal computing, embedded systems found a place in printers, modems, and keyboards. The decade also saw the proliferation of embedded systems in automobiles, marking the beginning of the digital revolution in the automotive industry. Fast forward to the 1990s, and embedded systems started becoming an integral part of consumer electronics. Game consoles, digital cameras, and mobile phones all began to feature embedded systems, paving the way for the technological advancements we enjoy today. In the 21st century, the Internet of Things brought embedded systems to the forefront of technology. From smart homes to wearable technology, embedded systems now form the backbone of our interconnected world. So, what are the key points to remember about embedded systems? Firstly, an embedded system is a dedicated computer system designed to perform one or a few dedicated functions. It is embedded as a part of a complete device, often including hardware and mechanical parts. Secondly, they have been around for over half a century, evolving with technological advancements. From the Apollo guidance computer to the smart devices of today, they have been instrumental in driving forward the digital age. Thirdly, today's embedded systems are often based on microcontrollers, essentially mini-computers that can be programmed to perform a range of tasks. This versatility is what allows embedded systems to be used in a multitude of applications, from automotive to consumer electronics. Lastly, the future of embedded systems lies in the Internet of Things. As more and more devices become interconnected, the role of embedded systems in our daily lives is only set to increase. In conclusion, the story of embedded systems is a tale of technological evolution. From their humble beginnings in the 1960s, they have grown to become an integral part of our modern world. They are the unseen force that powers our digital age, and their importance cannot be overstated.